Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to clear your search history on Instagram. Whether you want to tidy up your account, protect your privacy, or simply start fresh, clearing your search history is a quick and easy process. Let's get started with the steps to remove those past searches from your Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, you'll see your feed filled with posts from friends and accounts you follow. But we're focusing on the search function today. Next, tap the search icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Explore page, where you can discover new content and accounts. But for now, we're going to manage your search history. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of your recent searches, which includes profiles, hashtags, and places you've looked up. It can be handy, but sometimes you just want to clear it all out. Next to Recent, you'll see an option that says See All. Go ahead and tap that. This will open up a complete list of all your recent searches, giving you a clear view of what you've looked for. Now, look for the Clear All option at the top right of the screen. Tap on this, and you're one step closer to clearing that history. Finally, confirm your action. A prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to clear your search history. Just hit Confirm, and voila. Your search history is now cleared, giving you a fresh slate for your Instagram explorations. That's it. You've successfully removed your search history on Instagram. Enjoy your browsing experience without any old searches cluttering your results.